This is the Magic Rabbit Poop Hutch Cleaning Composter. Check this out. I hope it comes through on the video. I don't know if you can see. That's steam rising as I turn it. This is absolute gold. It's the best compost ever because it's in the mix of having the right components of green matter, brown matter, all the good nutrients, and it's super fast in how it breaks down. But can you check out the steam? Because it's so warm in here as it's breaking down, which is exactly what you want. Look at that steam rising. It's super warm in here. Probably just in the air that you can see that steam rising, it's probably a good 85 degrees. Excellent. And the worms are crazy huge number at the bottom as they're making their way. What a gift. So glad my neighbor has bunnies.